Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to play YouTube video on X96Q Android TV box. Okay, as on the home screen you can see the YouTube button here. You can select direct on that button. On the other hand, you can go to app and you will find the YouTube app on here, so just select one of them. Okay, select on that one, and now you open the YouTube app. Okay, play one of the video. For example, go to search button and you will find something to search, or you can connect to a keyboard like this, the small one, and it's better for the search typing. Just connect the USB connection to the USB port of the TV box, and now we can typing on it. Okay, free music, no copyright, and play one of the video. Okay, now that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can play the YouTube on this X96Q. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.